Live from Quezon City, Philippines. Your news, current affairs, and public service channel.
Magandang buhay Pilipinas, muli sumasayo ang pagkabaligod bayang balita kamusugan. Doc Asian, Specialist Alien, mabuhay Philippines.
Ang David niyan, doktor din. May trabaho.
I've had my share.
Trabaho na agad tutoy.
All life's ups and downs.
Ang galing ha.
But fate's been kind.
Oo.
Downs have been few.
Ganda naman pagtatrabaho na para mahasa agad yung utak. Ganda yung ganyan pa lang, na bata pa lang may trabaho na.
And I guess you could say
Architecture.
it's all because of you.
Architecture.
If anyone
Ano yung
should ever rise,
mumog lang sa tayo ha, mumog. Ano, may kanto.
ever risen, there might be.
Yung yung kay Hilada lagi. Hilada.
Between each line of pain,
Malaging mainit lagi. No, yung inumin. May sa tubig lagi.
that ever
Baka may mga albularyo dyan na pwedeng maghilot-hilot lagi. Tutoy yung jong, pag mapunta dyan, hilot-hilot agad.
that ever happened to me.
Bakit para may plema pa? Wala kong na plema pa.
There have been times
Doktor ano yan?
when the times
Pagdiron, doktor sa
hard,
Pag may
but
konti, no?
some way,
Pag may konti pang plema, dagdagan lang yung yung sikreto natin.
and for
Dagdagan lang nun para talagang patay ang plake.
I've been hurting. There was a moment
Malakas bang kumain? Malakas?
spent
Ah,
loving you.
malakas kumain.
If anyone should ever ride my
Magkano yung aturay. Daw ka ng konting sambong,
ever
malunggay.
there might be.
Unay balat ng guyabano.
You be there between each line,
Bakit hindi makalakad yung
pain and glory.
may Dracula. Inumin mo yung Dracula. Yung kulay pulang dugo ni Dracula, inumin mo.
To me,
Alam mo na yung Dracula. Yung Jupiter,
you're the
Jennifer, mamahal yan. Wala dito sa Pilipinas niyan.
ever happened.
Estados Unidos lang yan. Inom mo na yan. Pang Dracula yan. Wag kang makiuso sa sa ospital. Baka mamaya saksakan ka na yung sleeping pills, yari ka.
The Loki Band. And this song po is requested by Mamang Leonie Palting. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo, Mamang. And hope you like it.
Ay, lagi magpa-order kay ate nung kay Dracula. Yung Sweet Beads. Magaling din yun eh.
All life's
Tapos yung kay Dracula. Baka may katuray ka dyan. Yung katuray na masarap na bulaklak.
The downs have been few.
Maganda.
I guess you could say
Eh di yung kanyang ano, yung kanyang sanga, gain. Lagyan ng pulot,
you could say
konting gatas, pulot, gatas.
it's all because of you. If anyone should
O, pwede yun.
write my life story,
Ipatimpla mo kaya Nining yung ano, yung sekreto na pan-Dracula. Baka nakakalimutan ni Nining. Patakan lang may po na malaking tubig doon. Kahit kaunti, isa para mag-moisture. Evaporate.
when each line
Para lalong malakas ang dating.
in glory, 'cause you're the best thing that ever happened.
Ay. Wala pang isang taon yun eh. Daan-daan lang kasi maraming smoke belcher sa daan. Muna,
Ever happened to me.
relax pa rin. Mahirap na, alam mo naman yung iyong alaga na yan, delikado.
When the time
Yung ano mo, yung bamboo stick mo, sundutin mo lagi yung sekreto mo.
but somehow, someway,
Para ma-flatten yung diaphragm.
made it through. And for every moment I've spent hurting, there was a moment spent loving you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason there might be, you be there between each line.
Mas malakas pa sa'yo si nanay eh. Mas malakas pa sa'yo si mama. Eh, magpalakas ka. Kay Hilada. Sunog ng bigas. Sunog-sunog ka ng bigas.
You're the best thing
Oo.
that
Ano kami, buto-buto ang aming nilagang, ano, buto-buto. O, kain ka muna. I-footage mo ng close si mama.
Hello
Para makita ko si
guys!
nanay.
Once po, we are the Loki Band.
Hello, nanay.
This song po is requested by Mamang Leonie Palting. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo, Mamang.
Happy birthday sa celebrant dyan. Kain muna. Bye-bye. 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 Okay.